Welcome to my wheel future. In accordance with its electrification strategy, Audi plans to unveil more than 20 new EVs in the next 2 years and a half. Auto Express reports quoting Mark Lichte, head of Audi Design. According to Lichte, the company aims to focus its efforts on developing innovative concepts like the recently introduced Activesphere in the gallery and video below. Audi believes that these design studies can be distilled into viable mass-produced vehicles soon. The Activesphere represented an odd cross between a crossover SUV and a pickup when it debuted. The company said its trunk area, which could easily turn into a truck bed, was one of the main selling points for the potential customers.
Don't forget to subscribe for more car videos.